Hello guys, I am Engineer Muhammad Adnan Khan and you are watching YouTube channel Being Engineer. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get new uploads. In this short video, we will learn to calculate quantity of bricks in a wall. You can easily calculate the number of bricks in a wall if you know the exact size of a brick that you are using in a wall. So to do this, we will have to start from here. Let's suppose the standard size of a brick is 9 inches. As you can see in this picture, the length of the brick is 9 inches, the width of the brick is 4.5 inches and its thickness or depth of the brick is 3 inches. To convert these into feet, we will get 0.75, 0.375, 0.25. To get the volume of a brick, we will multiply all these three dimensions, length multiplied by width multiplied by thickness, we will get 0.070 cubic feet or CFT. Now to calculate the number of bricks in 1 CFT, we will divide 1 divided by this value, we will get 14.285 bricks. This is the number of bricks in 1 cubic feet. As we know, in a wall there is some space occupied by a mortar. Let's assume it's 10%. So to deduct this volume, we will use 14.285. That is the value that we get in the previous slide. 14.285 multiplied by 10, that is 10%. So we get 14.4285 number of bricks in 1 CFT. So by deducting this value from previous value 14.285 minus 1.4285, we will get 12.8565 bricks. Now to stay on the safe side, we will add wastage of bricks, that is assumed to be 5%. So this number of bricks multiplied by 5% means 5 divided by 100, we will get 0.6428. So by adding this value into this number of bricks, we will get total number of bricks in 1 CFT, which is 13.45, approximately equal to 13.5 bricks. By knowing this value, you can easily find quantity of bricks in a wall only if you know the dimensions of a wall and number of bricks in 1 CFT. So let's suppose the height of a wall is 12 feet, thickness is 0.75 feet and its length is 10 feet. Now to get the volume of a wall, we will multiply all these three dimensions. We will get 90 CFT. By multiplying 90 into number of bricks in 1 CFT, that is 13.5, we will get 1215 bricks for this wall. So by knowing dimensions of a wall and number of bricks in 1 CFT, you can find the quantity of bricks in any wall.